On Jamaica TV, and we are here with
Lied.
Lyd. We are here in downtown Kingston. We're asking people, what do you think we as citizens of Jamaica can do to make Jamaica a safer place?
We want to be Jamaica a better place. People can get together and love on each other. That we can make Jamaica be a better place. The violence, the crime, the wickedness, all these from murderer, right? We don't like it. And we can't take no more of it, right? If you're going to take any more, you can let me get off of my head. But and I don't want to get off of my head because I'm telling you the right pussy truth, right? So let Jamaica be a better place in one love, one heart, Almighty God be the head of all things. So nobody no bad man no, right? And nobody one like say I them rule out of them or shake it under or they can bring earthquake, right? God is the key of everything. So bet Jamaica be a better place. You know, one love, one heart, get together, big up Jamaica.